JD from Zedon Consulting, and in this video we will talk about cross-functional teams. People management in traditional projects had a command and control approach and hierarchical in nature, but more importantly, the contributors were tightly coupled with their respective department or function. Let's take an example of a project that requires development, testing, and IT skills. The org structure would have vertical slicing, clearly delineating respective departments as shown in the diagram. The contributing individuals still have their respective departments as their home team. They may deliver for the project with their skills, they still have their complete commitment towards their line manager or department. A cross-functional team is the exact opposite. The team is made up of people with all the skills required for delivering the outcome of the project. The difference against a traditional team is that the team members, whether or not their home team is their respective department, they are committed first towards the current team's success. So what are the benefits of being a cross-functional team? 1. Lesser bureaucracy. In traditional teams, we had cross-department collaboration. All communication had to go through bureaucratic layers. But now, with this arrangement, the team members, irrespective of their home team, have their shared goals as primary commitment. 2. Faster turnaround time. Since all the ingredients necessary for releasing the increment of the product are readily available within the team, the speed at which you deliver is faster. 3. Efficient collaboration. This is the positive side effect of lesser bureaucracy. The team has at their disposal all the resources required since these resources are not running on silos. One of the advantages of working together. 4. Improved problem solving. Complex problems require multiple perspectives to arrive at possible set of solutions. There are always better ways than the approach you have come up with. When you have a cross-functional team with different members with diverse skills, you get more creative. 5. Faster decision making. Faster movement needs faster decision making. When all the stakeholders involved are sitting across the table, cross-dependencies are resolved faster and decision making is swift, hence keeping the team velocity fast and consistent. And that is all. It is not necessary that every team has to be cross-functional. Roles assigned to members of the cross-functional team are less aligned with the organization strategy and more aligned with the team goals. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe for more such content. If you are interested in our certification prep courses, you can click the link in the description. Thank you.